Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get 3 best adult applications to your Firestick, which are totally free to use and watch. The whole setup is going to be super easy and will take you only a couple of minutes. So now, without any further ado, let me show you how to get those apps to your device. First of all, you'll have to get an app called Downloader. You can actually get it for free from the official Amazon App Store. To do so, just go to search on your device, and here in the search bar, start typing downloader. And as you can see, downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So we click on it, and that's the app which you need to get to your device. But after you get downloader, it's not over yet. We still have to set it up. So in order to set up downloader, we gotta go to settings. Let's do it right now. So we click on that button with the gear icon, scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Open it, and here we'll have to enable developer options on your device. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire Sticks, the developer options can be hidden by default. So if that's the case and you cannot find developer options anywhere, no need to worry, it's really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to click on the middle button on your remote for 7 times. And do it fast, so let's do it. As you can see, now at the bottom for me it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case, and in your case it's going to say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which have appeared right here. So we open them, make sure to enable ADB debugging, then go to install unknown apps. From here, you have to locate downloader and turn that option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in the official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now finally, let's go to the list of apps on your device. There it is, we open it. And here you'll find Downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your device. But before actually using Downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast, they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use, and they're not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In the VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say we'll connect to France right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means no one can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video, or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN, with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for NordVPN. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So let's go to the list of apps on your device, and open up Downloader. Here on the left side menu, make sure that you click on Home and not on Browser. So once again, make sure that you have clicked on Home, and then here in the search bar, we'll need to enter a link. The first link is going to be incognitoplay.app, so let's enter it together. Once again, it's incognito play dot app. So here you go, you can see the whole link on your screen right now. Make sure to enter it exactly as you see and do not make any mistakes, because obviously if you make a mistake, then the link is not going to work. After that, you have to click on go, and while the website is loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you will get even more content about Fire Sticks, as well as please hit the like button below this video. It really helps me a lot, and this way I'll be able to create even more videos for you. And after the website has opened, you just need to scroll down a bit until you find the Download APK button. Let's click on it, and now in a couple of moments the download is going to start for you. Usually it doesn't take long, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. After that, you have to click on install and wait until Incognito gets installed to your Firestick or Android TV device, depending on what kind of device you are using. After that, don't click on open yet, instead press on done, because here we'll have an option to delete the installation files as we don't need them anymore on our device. So you need to click on delete and then delete once again. This way, we got rid of unnecessary files from your Firestick and save you some free space. Now finally, let's go to the list of apps on your device. There it is, open it. And scroll to the bottom. Here you'll find the Incognito Play application which we just downloaded. That's the first adult app that I recommend using on your Firestick or Android TV. And now let me show you a couple more applications. So let's go back to the downloader, go back to home, and here in the search bar we'll be entering a second link. So let's enter it together. There it is, you can see the whole link on your screen. Now just click on go, and after the website loaded, you just have to scroll it down almost to the very bottom until you find the download APK button. Now we click on it, and the download is going to start. The process is going to be pretty much the same as for the first app. We click on install and wait until it's done, then we click on done and delete the installation files. So now if you go to the list of apps on your device, which is right here, and scroll to the very bottom, there you'll find the second application, which we just downloaded. And now let me show you how to get the third adult app to your Firestick, which is also really decent. We go back to home and delete the previous link, and now start entering a new one. Sorry, made a mistake. Yep, so it should be like that. Here you go, here's the link. Make sure to enter it as you see, and of course click on go. And then we're gonna click on the install button right here. Then scroll down a bit and again click on the download APK button. And now the download should start. And now just as previously, click on install, wait for the app to get installed to your Firestick, and afterwards we'll have to click on done. Yep, so we click on done and delete the installation files as we don't need them anymore on your device. And after that, when you go to the list of apps on your Firestick and scroll to the very bottom, here you'll find the free adult applications that we installed today. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble, and enjoy. See you next time. Bye bye.